Oh my god, that took forever. I did not realize I had that much rubber left on that tire. Ooh, that baby's smoking. That baby's smoking. Whew. That sucker shot rubber. I was doing that burner for over a minute. Well over a minute. I thought I literally had like maybe 20 seconds worth of burnout left before the tire like exploded. But I guess not. Whew. And in the beginning I was struggling because I was trying to shift it up into second gear, but it wasn't trying to go. I gotta clear some of this freaking rubber out, not rubber, cord, before I ride the bike. Ride it back to the parking spot and park it and take off the wheel tomorrow and get the new tire on. Alrighty, about to take off the rear tire from this freaking bike. Hopefully I can get this off in one hand. Man, it's literally been almost a year to the day that I bought a new rear tire. Can't stop doing burnouts on the sucker. Like drag strip and all that just really killed this tire really fast. Make sure that's everything. Oh, the chain, I gotta take the chain off too. Oh crap, I don't want to readjust the chain. Man. Well, that was easy. All right, got that off. I thought I was gonna have to readjust the chain. I'm gonna have to readjust the chain when I put it back on. But just to get it off, that was easy. So I'm about to put this in the trunk and take it down to cycle gear so I can pick up a new tire. Actually, I gotta call them, make sure it's there. I mean, it said it was there, but I don't want to drive all the way to Louisville just to have to come back because they don't have my tire. So yeah, let's load this up real quick and I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Alrighty, made it to cycle gear. I'm gonna bring the tire inside. Hopefully I can change it within like 10-20 minutes. Last time I did it in like 5, so let's see how this goes. Get this tire changed so I can ride today because it's beautiful and it's nice and hot outside. So I went to get the tire changed and the dude was like, "Our tire machine is broken." I'm like, "Man, this ain't McDonald's. Yeah, what? This sounds like the ice cream machine broke in this mother." Anywho, yeah. So got the tire and we're gonna go to the next cycle gear in Plano, which is like 20 minutes away, so it's not too bad. So I'm gonna do that real fast and head back home so we can get the tire back on. We got the new tire. This is the old tire, but we got the new tire on. The new tires in the back on the rim. But this is the old tire. You can see the hole where it like popped at. But yeah, gonna go home. Got to get the Camaro's wheels done too. And then we'll be able to ride. So I'm excited because it's been almost 2 weeks since I've been able to ride my bike. I hate going that long without riding my baby. It's supposed to be beautiful like the next 2 weeks in a row. So I'm trying to get, oh, that's a nice R6 right there. But anywho. Oh shit. Their reaction was too genuine. Got the caliper back on. Take this off because that would be sketchy as hell to ride with paper on your tire. I do it with the car because I really don't like. You got 4 freaking tires. On a motorcycle, you only have 1 rear tire, so yeah, let's not do that. I'm gonna go take care of the Camaro real quick, then I'll come back and ride the bike. Whew, man, it's hot with this helmet on. I was about to go for a ride, and then I forgot to put the mirrors on after the drag strip. So this is episode 1 of rebuilding the Yamaha R6. I'm not sure when the next episode is going to be out because I don't really have any other plans for this bike. Well, besides the well, I do have other plans, but wrench those down really fast. But yeah, I do have plans for this bike coming up pretty soon. Did I grab 211s? Oh no, that's a 10. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned and see the plans once they come into action. But yeah, this is not gonna be like a week by week series or whatnot. Probably like the next episode is gonna come out in like another month or so. Just with the supply chain shortage and whatnot, and everything taking forever to like ship and whatnot. But other than that, just rebuilding the bike, making it look pretty again like the first day I bought it, because this bike has seen way better days, and it's just slowly have been going downhill since since I started riding it more often. It's like normal wear and tear on things, like the fender, like the front fairing is cracked on both sides. The middle fairings are cracked and scratched up. Tail fairing cracked. The blemishes on a tank and whatnot from when somebody hit it with a paintball gun. It has like marks everywhere because of somebody hit it in the parking lot one time. All right, let's put the this bad boy back on. I had it off for the drag strip. Forgot to put it back on after I left the drag strip. Oh well. Allegedly, of course. I had this on the entire time. I just took it off to wash the bike.